We're starting with breaking updates coming in the Judge Cashall story, with updates coming in that Justice Verma faces probe and he will be appearing before the panel shortly. At 1 p.m. he is expected to appear before the Supreme Court panel. My colleagues Bhavtosh, Priyank as well as Deepankar are joining us on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, all eyes are going to be on this appearance of the judge appearing before the Supreme Court panel. What's expected?
Well, today is the big day. Justice Yashwant Verma will be appearing before the three-member inquiry commission set up by the Chief Justice of India. And for the first time, he will be recording his statement. Earlier, he had issued a statement. In fact, he met the Delhi High Court Chief Justice and presented his side of the entire controversy. In fact, he denied all the allegations that were leveled earlier. He said that the cash does not belong to him. It was kept in a storage space, and also said that he has nothing to do with the cash that was recovered. And in fact, he has said that that storage area can be accessed by anyone. But looking into the gravity of the case, Chief Justice of India not only uploaded that stunning video, but also had set up an inquiry committee which is headed by two Chief Justices and also a judge of Karnataka High Court. And yesterday, our colleague Priyank had broken the story that Delhi Fire Service Chief was grilled for 9 hours. And the big development that will take place today is that Justice Yashwant Verma is all expected to record his statement, which can go for us. And it's expected that around 1 p.m. he will be appearing before the panel inquiry commission that has been set up by the Supreme Court.
Right, Priyank, this also comes amid a lot of protests that have been ongoing. In fact, yesterday the presidents of several High Court associations had also wanted to meet the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice as well, saying that the transfer should be immediately halted. So any action that's taken, any step that's taken by the Supreme Court would also be watched closely.
Yes, Sati, that can come in a later stage, but the biggest development is what we are breaking on the for the viewers. And we are at this location where the camp office of the three judges panel has been questioning all those individuals. In that particular complex, which is known as Haryana State Guest House, what we have seen that Judge of the Karnataka High Court, Anu Shivaraman, has reached, although the Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana was already there. The protest from the lawyers and the application and the meetings which happened in the national capital from the Allahabad High Court Bar Association could have made a major impact in this particular case. But what we can see that the rosters have been changed from the Delhi High Court. What we have seen that the repatriation of Justice Yashwant Verma from the National Capital High Court to Allahabad High Court has been a two major development, and since then there is no further movement regarding the paperwork which has happened. So certainly the Apex Court and the CJ of the Delhi High Court would be looking for the completion of this particular inquiry. There have been several aspects of this investigation which I've touched upon, and what we are getting to know that the huge pile of cash which was burned inside the complex where Justice Yashwant Verma was staying could be very troublesome thing for him, because if the inquiry finds that there is a need of going on for further probe, then certainly FIR can be ordered by the Apex Court. At this moment, what we can break it for viewers that Justice Yashwant Verma is expected to reach here at 1 p.m. What will happen, for how long he'll be questioned, we don't have any clue about it, because we are talking about a judicial inquiry and everyone is so tight-lipped in this particular case that the Delhi Fire Chiefs literally vanished from this particular complex, and we could not see him leaving from here. All we could see is his vehicle, empty vehicle, leaving from this particular location. So this inquiry is very secretive. Let's see what is going to happen next.
Yes, there has been a lot of mystery around it, and we don't have all details yet. There have been a lot of questions around the different versions that came in from the Delhi Fire Services chief. Apart from that, the details around the case as well. Deepankar, the three-member committee constituted by the Supreme Court, had also visited the residence of Justice Varma, after which he is appearing before the panel today.
Yes, the three-member panel had visited the residence of Justice Yashwant Verma, where they had visited the place where the fire had took place, and they had also seen the entire area where the fire services had doused off the fire. And after that, the Delhi police had also visited yesterday only and had come in here and seized that place. They had come in, they sealed that area of where the fire took place. So there is a lot of things going on in this matter. But currently everyone is tight-lipped as to what is going to happen. We are currently at the residence of Justice Yashwant Verma, where we are expecting movement from here for Justice Yashwant Verma to go to the Haryana Southern, where the Inquiry Commission camp office has been set up, and appear before the Inquiry Commission to appear before the Inquiry Commission and to respond to the questions that are to be put up. As of now, we can see that there is no movement going on here, but we are expecting that there has to be movement. There would be a movement in a while now, as he has to appear before the Inquiry Commission by 1 o'clock. So a lot of things are going on, but the thing is that everyone is tight-lipped since it is a judicial inquiry that is going on. There is no one coming out with any kind of reports or any kind of explanations as of now. But we'll have to wait and watch as to what is the result of that inquiry, whether after the inquiry the judge will be absolved or would he be pronounced as guilty, after which the Chief Justice of India may also ask for registration of an FIR, as has been said by all the High Court Bar Association presidents who had come yesterday and met the Chief Justice of India and had called for the Chief Justice of India to give an order for further investigation to be done by an agency and an FIR to be registered against Justice Yashwant Verma. So all these things will have to be seen as to what happens once the inquiry is over, and what is the pronouncement of the inquiry. Whether
all right. Dipankar, Bhavtosh and Priyank, thank you for joining us with those details.